Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Walmart Ibotta haul, another one as always. And today we finished one of the bonus. We finished the whiteboard bonus. It was $5 for 18 offers. We just finished that, and so today is kind of a smaller haul, but it's a really great haul, and we're trying to finish the $10 extra credit, not extra credit, it's the $10, is it the extra credit? Okay, no, it's the $10 honor roll, and once we finish that, we can do the extra credit roll bonus, which is locked at the moment, so I don't even know how much it is or how many offers you have to do, but we are halfway through the honor roll challenge. So we did 21 offers and we have about 20 something to go, and we're about 50% of the way there. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you can see next week's deal and see us get closer and closer to finishing that Ibotta bonus of the $10 honor roll and the extra credit roll. Okay, so to start off this week's deal, we're gonna start off with these. They are the U by Kotex. These are the 50 liners. They're the Barely There. They're like liners that are individually wrapped, and so you're gonna pick up 2 of these at Walmart. They're priced at $2.97, and so both of these are gonna total you $5.94. You're going to use Ibotta and you're going to get back $2 per each one. So you're going to get back $2 for this one and $2 for this one, making it $4. So you basically almost have this for free. But then you're going to submit your receipts to coupons.com and get $4 when you buy 2 U by Kotex products. And you're going to get back $4, making this a free. Okay, so after Ibotta and the coupons.com, you're going to get this completely free. This is a $2.06 Moneymaker. So go run and get your liners. They also have like it's like the white Kotex package. They're $3 a back when you buy one product, and I think there's like a limit, I think of 5, and the product's only like 94 cents, but it's like impossible to find because I've been looking for it every time I go to Walmart, and it's always out of stock. Alright, so this is the next deal that we're gonna do. So you're gonna pick up these Flintstone gummies. There's a couple different kinds, but I picked this one up. This is priced at $5.98. You're going to use Ibotta and get back $3. Then you're going to use coupons.com app and get another $3 back, making this completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. And these Flintstone gummies are for kids, but I mean, what's the difference between adult and kid gummies? So if you need some little gummy vitamins, you can pick these up completely free. We bought this last time. I think we've bought in this 3 times now. So this is the artisan inspired dog cookies. They're the Vita Bone. I got the maple bacon and blueberry flavor. Is the only flavor that they have in my store. I don't know if there's a different flavor, but you're gonna pick these up. They're like, this is like a crazy good deal. That's why I've picked it up a couple different times. It has 4 rebates attaching to it. So the first one is the Ibotta Vita Bone cookies. You're gonna get back $1.75. Then you're gonna get back any dog treat for 10 cents back. Then you're gonna get back any dog food for 10 cents. And for some reason, any cat treats are also attaching to this, and it's another 10 cents. So you're gonna pay $1.73 for this bag. And my dog absolutely loves to eat cookies, and these smell really good. They actually smell like bacon. It's like bacon with blueberries. Thanks for watching my channel. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see next week's deal. Bye!